Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the most popular and must-visit places in Amritsar, India. You will also see a hotel room tour and budget of the stay at the end of this video. So do not skip and watch till the end. Now let's get into the video. Amritsar is one of the most popular and historic city in India. The Golden Temple, known as Sri Harmandir Sahib, is the major attraction in Amritsar. The Golden Temple is the most sacred religious place of the Sikhs. You can visit the temple around the clock and there are no entry fees. The Golden Temple organizes the largest Langar Seva, or the free meals, in the world. It serves around 100,000 devotees daily. The temple is covered with 162 kgs of 24-carat pure gold. During the 90s, the temple was renovated with 500 kgs of gold. Now you are witnessing a rare footage of the daily night ritual at the magnificent Golden Temple. Every night, the sacred holy scripture, the Guru Granth Sahib, is taken from the main shrine to the inner sanctum. This celebration is held again in the morning when the scripture is taken back to the main shrine. The next must-visit place is the Jallianwala Bagh. On April 13, 1919, the then Brigadier General Dyer of the British rule in India headed to the Jallianwala Bagh with his troops. He ordered his troops to open fire at the gathering of unarmed crowd of men, women and children during a Sikh festival without giving any warning. The firing continued for 10-15 minutes. 1,650 rounds were fired. Reports suggested that more than 500 people were killed. The walls with bullet marks can be found until even today. General Dyer received reward after the massacre, which shocked many Indians more than the massacre itself. There is a memorial in this place now to pay homage to the victims of the massacre. Next, you can visit the Partition Museum. The museum captured the painful memories of the partition of Indian subcontinent into India and Pakistan. Next, you must watch the lowering of the national flag ceremony at the Attari Wagah border. India's border security force and Pakistan's rangers jointly performed the drill. The drill is characterized by an elaborate and rapid dance-like maneuvers and raising legs as high as possible. It is both a symbol of the two countries' rivalry and a display of brotherhood and cooperation between the two nations. The ceremony takes place at 5:30 p.m. during summers and 4:30 p.m. local time during winters. You may need to visit at least 2 hours before to catch a better glimpse. Now let's see the room tour of Hotel Ramada, which is located closely to Golden Temple and Partition Museum. The room costs around 8,000 Indian rupees for a night stay for a family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification. Thank you.